Hey, hello guy, and welcome back to Retron channel on YouTube. So in today's video, we're going to take you for a quick tutorial on how you could restore back all of those navigator, toolbox, market watch, and everything on your MetaTrader 5 application. So if you have your MetaTrader 5 application installed on your window, then you accidentally press anywhere on the screen which disable all of those toolbox and everything, well, now you get it back with this video. So it's the very simple way ever to get it back is that you can have a take a look on the top section. You have file, view, insert, chart, tool, window, and help, all of that thing, right? So mostly all of that is inside view tab. So all you have to do is to click on view tab. You go down what you miss. You miss market watch, you click on market watch and it pops up the market watch back. You miss navigator, you click on navigator and pops up with navigator like that. And then what you miss the data window. Now it's coming back. You click on view again, you miss the toolbox, which you can see and execute trade and everything in here. Now you get it all back. So this is very simple way. Once you miss it, once you accidentally disable it, for example, if you're going to click on cross, all of that, you will lose all of that in an instant, right? So in order to get it back, just simply go to view. You go to data window if you want data window back. You go to view again, you go to market watch if you want the market watch back. You go to view again, you go to toolbox, then it show up the toolbox back again. So this is a very simple way where you could get it in case you lost all of this stuff. So that's it, guy. Very simple, very straightforward. This is how you are going to bring back and restore all of those toolbox back into your MetaTrader 5 on Windows. Thank you guys for watching and see you guys in the next video.